So we have the Edgewood Middle School Unity Day. We're representing a lot of media cultures from our school district. It's Friday, February 9th, at the Edgewood Middle School. We're having a great time representing a lot of places here. A lot of different beautiful cultures. And the American Indian table. Hi. Hi. We have the East Africa table. We had Pan Asian, China, Tibet, Laos, Thailand, Bangkok, among. We have Russia.
Edgewood students, go to the gym, please. Wait in the gym.
Okay, thank you. That's about right. And we have Puerto Rico. These are the famous people from Puerto Rico. Getting ready for the folks to come here. It's gonna be a great event. How's everybody doing? And here representing Puerto Rico, Edgewood Middle School, with the Mounds View School District. We here have a unity event, and we are showcasing a lot of cultures and different countries that we have with different activities. I want to show you my Puerto Rico booth. Look at how nice all my some of the famous people, distinguished people, some of the things we do in the island. And Minnesota athletes from that play for Puerto Rican athletes that have played for the Minnesota Twins, for the Timberwolves, famous people, actors, Gloria Sotomayor, Roberto Clemente, and his son of, see, Puerto Rico.
And this is Russia.
And some of the this is when I fly to San Juan, I take Highway 52 down this way, and I go all the way down here to Sabana Grande, which is right here. That's my little town. So this is in the Heights. Luis Manuel Miranda, Roberto Clemente. So just showcasing some of my country. We have different countries.
Because they have winter like
we have
they're really good in the bobsled.
we have Russia, we have Hmong, East Africa. So we have representing here. We are here in Edgewood Middle School, Mounds View School District. They're over there paying money. So having fun. Everybody have a great Friday. Okay, we here in Edgewood Middle School. We have a Unity Day. We're representing all different nationalities and enjoying my Puerto Rico table and showing people about my island, some of the famous people, some of the traditions, and then showing them a little bit of the stuff I have. This is my little display of Puerto Rico. Parismas del Mar, Capitolio, Parque de Bombas. This is my beautiful island. El Coqui, La Ceiba. My favorite place in Puerto Rico, Gilligan Island. That's my one.